morning.
Morning.
Yes, everyone, welcome back.
Good morning.
Good morning again. Please keep your cameras on. Cameras on karo, sare ke sare.
Good morning.
Good morning again. Keep your cameras on, everyone. Okay? Keep your cameras on. I can't see Arav Solanki, Shivansh, Yadat. I cannot see you. Keep your cameras on, everyone. Rishabh, where were you in the previous class? You were there or not? Hi, Rishabh, you were there?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm there
Why?
because you have four day.
Fourth day? आप fourth day में हो? ऋषभ
No,
आप कौन से
ma'am.
section में? Fourth day में हो? You are in fourth A or in fourth B? Which section you are in?
Ma'am, I'm saying
Rishabh, I'm not able to hear you, beta. Chalo.
ma'am,
Chalo, let's do the next question now. Till question which we have done. Like place value system we have done. Now let us go to the next question. Take out your books, everyone, again. Let's take out the maths book again. Take out your maths books again. Place value हमने कर लिया ना. अब there will be ascending and descending. I was explaining you. Okay, I told you to. I will show you the video. Okay, मैंने बोला था ना मैं आपको video show करूँगी. Let me show you the video of ascending and descending order. Wait a second. Just give me a minute. I'm just opening the video. I'll share the video with you all. Okay, this is the video. Okay. Let me show you my video only, nothing else. Just wait. Are you all ready with the video? Okay, so I'm going to share the video with you all. We have done a one. Ascend means to go up or to climb up, ascend. And descend means to come down. Descend means to come down. And ascend means to go up. Yes. Okay. Now let us see, this is one boy, Raghav. And if I say Raghav is ascending, that means Raghav is going up. And if I say Raghav is descending, that means Raghav is going down. So when are you going to go up? When you are at a smaller place and you have to go up, that means you are increasing it. That means ascending. Smaller to bigger. When you are at a small place and you have to go some bigger place, that means ascending. And if you are at a big place and you have to come to a small place, that means descending. That means from bigger to smaller is known as descending. Now we have to arrange the set of numbers into ascending or descending order. So first we have to compare them. Compare them. How are we going to compare them? We are going to check which is greater and which is smaller. Suppose we are having two numbers. Okay. The very first step to compare the two numbers is to check first check the number of digits. Which number is having more number of digits? The number which is having more number of digits is greater, and the number which is having less number of digits is smaller. Remember the difference between the digits and number? Suppose there is a 4-digit number on left hand side and there is a 3-digit number on right hand side. Then which will be greater? The number on the left hand side will be greater. Why? Because it is having 4 digits. That's why it is greater. The number which is on right side, it is having 3 digits. That's why it is smaller. Now, let us suppose both the sides having 4-digit number on both the sides. This side also 4-digit number, that side also 4-digit number. Now we have to check which is greater and which is smaller. Then we will check the extreme left digit of the number. The number which is greater, the extreme left digit of the number, that suppose this is also 4-digit number and that is also 4-digit number. So we are going to check thousands place in both of them. Let us check the thousand place in both of them. This number is having 7 and that number is having 8. Which is greater? 8 is greater. That means that number will be greater than this one. Now both the side is having 7. This side also 7 and that side also 7. Both are 7. Now we come to the next place value. The right to this one. Then now we will compare the values. This side 5 and that side 6. So that means 7 5 and 7 6, which is greater? Obviously 7 6 is greater. Then 7 6 they will be the greater one. In the same way, we are going to compare the rest of the digits. If the previous digits are same, number is equal to another number, then the numbers will be equal. In this way, we will compare the different numbers and then we will arrange. Now, let us see these set of numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending order. First one is 2580, next one is 2855, third one is 2508, the fourth one is 528 and last one is 5280. Okay, so first of all, remember first step that we have to count the number of digits. Okay, in first one, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, second one, 1, 2, 3. Third one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which will be the smallest? Obviously, a 3-digit number will be smallest. Either it would be 3285 or 528. So, out of these two, which is smaller? 2 or 5? 2 is smaller, that means 285 is smaller. That means first we will write 285. Now, second 3-digit number was 528. So 528 will be greater than 285. Now, next one we will see this is 4-digit number, this is also a 4-digit number and this is also a 4-digit number. So in this one, the first digit is 2, first digit is 2, first digit is 5. So which will be the smallest? Either this one or this one. So we will check out of these two which is the smallest. It is 25, it is also 25. Here it is 8 and here it is 0. So which is smaller? 0 is smaller. So that's why 2508 will come first. 2508. Now next number will be 2580. Now what is left? 5280 is left, so it will be the last number. And if it would be descending, the series would be opposite. 5280 will come first, then 2580, 2508, 528 and 285, like this. But how to know whether it is in ascending or descending order? To know this, we use the arrows greater than or smaller than. But instead of using these arrows, we will use the word ascending here. ASCENDING. Ascending, short form of ascending, ASCORD. That means we have arranged it in ascending order. We will not use a greater than and less than sign here. Why? Just because to not to get confused. I have seen many of you get confused while using these signs in and descending order. Now, if it would be in descending order, same we have to arrange in descending order. The series would be just opposite. So this is the complete answer of this ascending and descending. So students, we are finished up with ascending and descending order as well as comparison of numbers in this video. Yes, everyone. Everyone see the video? Everyone seen the video?
Yes.
Now you come to know about ascending and descending. सबकी समझ आ गया ascending descending? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी अब ascending descending में? बेटा मेंशन कर देते हो उससे पहले कि we are arranging in ascending order or descending order. Okay, now do one thing. Take out your page number 4. Page number 4 निकालो. Take out page number 4. Start doing question number J and K. Start doing question number J and question number K. J, because I till I we have done. Now take out page maths book, page number 4. Do question number J and K. Yes, you can correct. K in book. Okay. Then you can give some examples. Start doing it. Do question number J and K and send me the answers right now. Ascending first में हमें ascending में arrange करना है, second वाले में हमें descending में arrange करना है. And I told you, विकास ये पहले से कर लिया था. You were not looking at the video. Are you more intelligent? हाँ विकास. Are you more intelligent than the others? Yes. Are you more intelligent than the others? Yes, because I'm talking to you.
I'm not.
What Arav? You don't have a book. Those who don't have a book, बेटा मैंने WhatsApp पर उनको share कर दिया picture. तो वो सिर्फ answers लिख लो rough copy में. जब book आ जाए तो आप book से कर लेना. Okay? Show me the book. What beta? Afraz, please wait. Yes, correct. This is right. Pranav, page 1. After literature. Do it quickly. This is the page. Yes, beta. Yes, Arav. Beta, those who don't have a book, they may do in rough notebook. वो rough notebook में कर लो अभी. Right on. I have sent you the questions on the WhatsApp group, so you can check it from there. मैंने WhatsApp group पर send कर दिया, वो देख लेना. Okay? Pratyaksh, do you want to say something? Pratyaksh? Pratyaksh, do you want to say something, beta? You are raising your hand. Why so? Pratyaksh, are you saying something?
Ma'am.
You were raising your hand, beta. And keep your cameras on, everyone. Keep your cameras on. Rishabh, Devansh, Uthav Singh, Karthik. Keep your cameras on. Beta, let me see that you are doing the work. You are doing the work or not? See this one. Bow लिखा है उस पे. ऊपर देखिए bow. See, Anshuman is also showing. This is how it is. Like this. This is the book. Don't get confused. Both your books have bow written on it. The literature also and the grammar also. So don't get confused. See to it that you are opening the correct book. Yes. जल्दी करो बेटा.
अच्छा अगर आपके पास नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, आप कॉपी में करो.
Do it quickly.
Chat box में देखो. Yes. Read the chats. First you will write the heading, sentence. Start reading the chats from the beginning. Yes. Both sides movement. जो कॉपी में लिख रहे हो वो पेन से लिखेंगे.
Do it quickly and send me the answers.
So see the chat box. First you will write the sentence. Then the question. Write 5 sentences about yourself. Yes, Jashan. Okay. Yes, Hiram. Are you late? No. I didn't hear your voice in the morning, Hiram. A good morning. So I thought maybe you joined late.
Send it to me after completing it. Ascending and descending ki J and K.
Okay, everyone's done. Shall I discuss? Okay, fine. The first one, my name is. Let me start with my name is. Okay, I'm waiting another minute. Just a minute more. 1 minute more. Okay, fine. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Okay, beta, please wait. All right. So we were doing write 5 sentences about yourself. The first one you will write my name is, and then you will write your names. Please see to it that you check your spellings. Most spellings are wrong. If you don't know any spelling, please feel free to ask. And ma'am, please tell me the spelling of this particular word. Okay, nobody will write wrong spellings. And those who are writing into your notes,
Jaldi se send it to me after completing.
don't keep cutting.
Okay, Karthik Kumar sent to me. Okay, Karthik. Correct.
I study in class 5A, 5B, 5C, whatever.
ठीक है कार्तिक, good.
Then I like to study, or my favorite subject is whatever your favorite subject is. You can write that. English, math, science. The fourth one, my hobbies are. You will write 2 or more than 2.
Do it quickly, everyone.
My hobbies are.
Karthik, correct.
The fifth one, you will
ठीक
write
है, Athar Singh, good.
any sentence. You're free to write any sentence on your own.
बेटा वो 3799 है या 3799 है? ओके ठीक है, 1776 1776 ठीक, करेक्ट. बेटा एक गलत किया है, ये किसने गलत किया है? देयर इज सम, कार्तिक ने गलत किया थी. सो 2657 के बाद देयर विल बी 283. ओके ओके, इट इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, ओके.
Okay, fine.
Correct, correct.
You will not say I have right in the
Okay,
second
do it.
one. Okay, I have written in the second one. Okay, that's also fine. Yes. Yes, Ira. What is the last one, Ira? I didn't get the last one. I want to become a DSP.
Okay, jaldi se quickly do it and send the answers to
What
me.
is the full form of DSP, Ira?
Do it quickly, जल्दी करो. प्रत्याक्ष हो गया?
Lawyer. DSP is in the police force. A district superintendent of police, that is DSP. Okay, that's in the police force.
How many of you have done? किस किसने भेज दिया मुझे ये? कार्तिक कुमार अरुण ने भेजा, अथर्व सिंह ने भेजा है, and शिवांश ने भेज दिया है, ओके विकास ने भेजा है. All right, who sent it? Arav Solanki. Okay, good Arav, very good. Correct. बेटा ये सारे 4 डिजिट नंबर्स हैं, ये सबको आने चाहिए, ये आपने थर्ड क्लास में पढ़े थे. ओके, यू रेड इट इन यू लर्न अबाउट इट इन थर्ड क्लास, इसलिए ये सबको आना चाहिए. ओके गुड ऋषभ. Okay, let me take the attendance by the time of yours. This is class 4th week, okay? Okay, let me check those who are present. Okay, Monday. Okay, let me check. Arush is present? Yes, Anmol was not present. Arav Solanki is present. Arkan Noor, not present. Arpit, not present. Athar Rastogi, not present. Athar Singh, he is present. Okay. Avni, she was present. Devansh Verma, present. Dhruv Singh, absent. Dhruv Singh is present in the previous class, I suppose. Dhruv Singh tha na? Manas, Shivansh, Vikas, okay. Sheesh, Rishabh, okay, alright. I've seen the names, now I'll mark it myself. Harsh Patel absent today. Okay, Kanishka is absent. Karthik is present. Manas is present. Vinha absent. Ma'am? Ma'am? Pooja ma'am? Vinha? Remove?
Okay, fine, all right. Now,
Okay, Alfaiz is present. Alfaiz nahi present, sorry, absent. Nandini absent. Pratyaksh present. Pratyaksh कहाँ थे अभी तक? Attend क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे classes? Where were you? Samia absent. Sarthak Agarwal absent. Sheesh is present. Shivansh Gangwar is present. Stuti is present. Suprema is she's absent. Utkarsh is absent. Vikas present. Yajat present. Yashraj Mahajan present. Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh present? Yuvraj Singh is not present, right? नहीं है present. Vikas, Zoya and Sheesh is present. Zoya, how come you are present today, बेटा? हाँ, कैसे present हो गया जोया? जोया मैजिक हो गया क्या कुछ? आज जोया कैसे आ गई है? चलो, let's start the next question. I hope everyone has done this. मुझे किस किस का मैसेज आ गया? Let me check. जोया का आ गया है, स्तुति का आ गया है. Okay, good. Stuti, I got the answers. Very good, Stuti. Manas, I got the answer of Manas also. Correct. And Devansh Verma also.
Okay, Noini first.
Okay, Devansh Verma, correct. Very good. Beta, who's saying please see mine? कौन है ये please see mine? Manas Garg, I'm seeing everyone's answer. No need to speak specially that please see mine. Yes, beta. Okay, now let's start. Everyone sent me the answer. Now next missing numbers अब start करते हैं. बेटा remember, बेटा मुझे reasoning का first page कोई send कर सकता है? Reasoning का first page कोई send कर सकता है reasoning की book का? All of you have reasoning books? Just send me one page of the reasoning book. Okay, beta. Okay, Stuti is sending. Okay, Stuti will send me. Okay, let's start the next question. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Let's start the next question, descending order. Let's start the questions in descending order. Oh, sorry, descending order तो हो गया. Sorry. Let's start the missing numbers. Let us start the missing numbers. Missing number क्या होता है? It's like patterns only, बेटा.
Okay, very good. Apurva, let's start from me.
Missing numbers. Okay, so we'll start the missing numbers in the next pair. 1, 2, 6, 5 and dash. It's same है इस patterns only. बस हमें pattern देखना है कि क्या होता था. 1, 2, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks are there. And after 4 blanks, the next is 1, 2, 7, 0.
What's next step?
1, 2, 7, 0. Now, how to do this? See here, everyone. Let me spotlight myself. Give me a minute. Yeah. See here. 1, 2, 6, 5, and here it is 70. इधर 65 है बेटा, उधर 70 है. 65 ये रहा और 70 ये रहा. And बीच में there are 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks. So let's try one thing. Let's do one thing.
Okay.
65 के बाद there is next 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. Yes, it is coming correct. That means 1, 2, 6, 6. 1, 2, 6, 7. Now complete it
It's not
yourself.
my hobbies are.
Now complete it yourself.
Cycling. It is my hobbies are.
Now do the whole I part yourself. I'm sharing the picture. Those who don't have a book, they can do from the picture.
My hobbies are playing football and writing.
Okay, Arush sent me the answer. Devansh Verma sent me the answer. Devansh Verma, ये क्या भेजा है? अच्छा. Okay, sorry Devansh. Sorry. You sent me this reasoning. Okay. Sorry, beta.
Alright, Anshuman then Prasanna. Yes, Anshuman first.
Okay, Pratyaksh also send me the answer. Devansh Verma ने pattern से भेजा. Okay. Very good, Arush. I'm so happy that Arush is doing the work regularly. मानस बेटा मैं देख चुकी हूँ, बहुत देर हो गई है. ये सेम क्वेश्चन मेरे पास रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए बार बार. Understood, Manas? Are you getting my voice, Manas, or not? Manas, are you able to hear me or not, or shall I remove you from the meeting? I already told you that I have seen this and I told you that it was correct. Still asking the same thing. Okay, Stuti. स्तुति बेटा एक काम करना अभी ना 2 minutes में मुझे इसका पूरा PDF बनाकर भेज देना, because I don't have a reasoning book. Once I'll see, then I'll just teach you. Okay, प्रत्यक्ष फर्स्ट वाला तो मिल गया बेटा मुझे, फर्स्ट पेज हो गया है. फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का पेज भेज दो बेटा. Okay, by the time I'm just starting the reasoning. Sorry, reasoning नहीं, मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर L भेज रही हूँ. जिसके पास बुक नहीं है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर L करना. Question number L करना है. Now you have to do question number L, right? So I'm sending you the picture of it.
Good, very good. Okay, now I want
Question L to be done in book.
I want Mudit and then Samrid. Yes, Mudit and Samrid.
अच्छा बेटा, everyone you have to make table bookmarks again. Last time भी बनाया था, but इस time भी बनाओगे आप. I know. Table bookmarks are very important because tables, everyone should learn the tables. Yes, Stuti? Yes, Stuti? Huh? I'm not able to hear you. Better you can type the message. I'm not able to hear what you are saying, Stuti. Please type the message, beta. चैट बॉक्स में ही टाइप कर दिया करो.
Okay. One second, Andrea. Yes, just let me correct. There's a mistake somewhere. My favorite subjects are. Okay, आपने 2 subjects लिखे ना. One subject लिखने को is. You will write my favorite subjects are SST and science. Since you did 2 subjects, you you would write R, A-R-E. Okay? So correct करो. Yes, Arjun.
जल्दी से complete it and send the answers.
I want to be a helping man to everyone. No, you will say, I want to help everyone. Okay? Correct this. I want to help everyone. Yes, Rachel.
Okay, I got it. शिवांश का आंसर मिल गया मुझको. Devansh also I got the answer.
Rachel, you are still in 4th C or 5th C? Okay, Iman. Okay, Iman and then Samar. Yes, beta Iman.
Okay. Karthik correct. Zoya correct. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Devansh and Karthik also I got the answer. Very good, Karthik.
Okay, very good. Samar and then Anjali. Quickly. Samar. I used to woke up early.
जल्दी करो.
Long sentence.
Okay, Vikas also send me the answer.
Or just write, I wake up early.
Vikas, fourth V. Vikas is also there. Okay, good. ये किसने भेजा? प्रत्यक्ष ने. Okay. Okay, Vikas, good. Correct, Vikas. Correct, प्रत्यक्ष.
I want to become
किस किसने भेज दिया? विकास ने, प्रत्यक्ष ने, कार्तिक, जोया, देवांश, शिवांश.
I want to become
Where are others?
Akshat. Yes, Akshat and then Kushal. Akshat Pratap.
Beta, you have to make table bookmarks also.
Akshat. Kushal. Yes, quickly. My favorite color is yellow. All right, good. Okay.
Let me check it. What is there in the typed message? We have to make the bookmark from 2 to 20. Yes, beta. You have to make the table bookmark from 2 to 20. Ma'am, Meghavi in your class?
Ma'am, what the next question?
Beta, Arush, I've sent it on WhatsApp group, beta. L part मैंने WhatsApp group पर send किया है. देखो check करो. Arush. Okay, Manas done the work. Good, Manas. Athar Singh done the work. Good. Beta 4522 4523 आएगा मानस. मैम ऑफिशियल पे आया हुआ है मैसेज ऐड करने के लिए. ओके 4521 4522 23 आएगा मानस. लास्ट वाला रॉन्ग किया है. आरुष ठीक है बेटा. ओके करेक्ट. आरुष एक गलत किया बेटा आपने. 2324. आरुष क्या किया बेटा? अच्छा ये असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर से. ओके 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 असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर किया आरुष आपने. ओके 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 बेटा आई गॉट इट. ठीक है ठीक करे ठीक करे. ठीक है ओके गुड ऋषभ. Rest of you also send me the work. फिर नेक्स्ट पीरियड में लास्ट पीरियड जो उसमें वी विल डू द रीजनिंग.
Utsav, please read this paragraph. The third paragraph, the third question.
क्विकली. ऋषभ ने भेज दिया, कार्तिक ने भेज दिया मुझको, दिवांश ने भेज दिया है, आरुष ने अभी सेकंड पार्ट में भेजा है, प्रत्यक्ष नॉट प्रत्यक्ष सेंट मी. और कौन कौन बचा है अभी? प्रत्यक्ष सेंट मी. फिर यजत इज लेफ्ट. ओके यजत, यू आर शोइंग मी ऑन द स्क्रीन. यस यजत, शो मी बेटा. Beta, shift a little bit this side. Very good, Yajat. Yajat, I'm not able to see the answers, so you can check it answers from the WhatsApp group afterwards. Okay? ऐसे बेटा ऐसे मैं चेक नहीं कर पाऊंगी, उससे मुझे क्लियरली नहीं दिख रहा है. ओके यजत, चलो यजत का हो गया. देन आरुष, WhatsApp पे अपने आंसर्स चेक कर लेना सारे, ठीक है? ओके यजत. स्तुति नॉट सेंट. शीश नॉट सेंट. शीश आपका आंसर नहीं आया अभी तक. विकास का आंसर नहीं आया है. हाँ नहीं, विकास का आ गया. विकास गॉट इट, गॉट द आंसर. विकास. जोया का आंसर नहीं आया अभी तक. जोया, शिवांश, योर आंसर्स आर नॉट हियर. अच्छा जोया का आई गॉट इट. ओके ओके ओके, जोया आई गॉट इट. ठीक है, सबका आ गया. ओके नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. मानस गर्ग का कोई आंसर नहीं आ रहा है. बस याद है मैम, प्लीज सी माइन. But he will not send me the answers, right मानस? है ना मानस? मैम से बोल दो बस, अपने आप करके भेजो या नहीं भेजो. He left the meeting now. चलो let us start the next topic. बेटा next topic है how to form the greatest number and the largest number. अच्छा एक बात बताती हूँ मैं आपको. अभी एक और वीडियो सेंड दिखानी है मुझे, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट पीरियड में दिखाऊंगी मैं. By the time I can teach you, see, अगर आपसे मैंने पूछा लार्जेस्ट वन डिजिट का नंबर बताओ, what will be that number? सबसे बड़ा वन डिजिट का नंबर बताओ. 9. अच्छा काउंट करो, स्टार्टिंग करो नंबर्स की. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 वन डिजिट है और 10 आ गया तो 10 में कितने डिजिट्स होते हैं? 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं 10 में. ठीक है, 10 में देयर आर 2 डिजिट्स. 10 में देयर आर 2 डिजिट्स. मैं कहाँ भी आई डोंट नो. ठीक है, नहीं थर्ड में भी एक में डालूं. ओके ओके सर नाउ सी. यस देयर आर 2 डिजिट्स इन 10. सो सबसे बड़ा नंबर ऐसा कौन सा हुआ जो कि वन डिजिट का भी हो और सबसे बड़ा भी हो? तो व्हाट इज दैट? 9. What is the greatest 2-digit number? What is the greatest 2-digit number?
Ma'am, 99.
Very good, 99. Okay. Now you can tell me what is the smallest one-digit number? 0. Okay. What is the greatest? What is the smallest 2-digit number? देखो 9 के बाद जिस बाद में कौन आया? 10. 10 से बड़ा 11, 11 से बड़ा 12, तो सबसे छोटा कौन है? 12, 10. तो बेटा जब भी हमें ऐसे करना होता है, सपोज इफ आई हैव टू सी द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. अच्छा इट्स ऑलरेडी 10:30. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट मीटिंग. यू कैन लीव दिस क्लास. वी विल मीट इन द लास्ट पीरियड. ओके.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
बाय बेटा.